Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever noticed how quickly your electronic gadgets get covered in dust? It can be frustrating, but there are some reasons why this happens. First off, our homes are full of dust and other particles that can easily settle on our gadgets. This is especially true if you have pets or live in a dry climate. Another factor is static electricity. Electronic device can generate a static charge that attract dust and other particles. This is why you might notice more dust on your TV or computer screen than on other surface in your home. And let's not forget about human factor. Our hands and fingers consistently touch our gadgets and leaving behind oil and other residue that can attract dust. So what can we do to prevent this buildup of dust? A simple solution is to regularly clean your electronic device with a microfiber cloth. This will help remove any dust or dirt that has accumulate on the surface. You can also try using a compressed air duster to blow away any dust that has settled in hard to reach areas like keyboard or vents. So guys, I am going to share with you some tips on how to clean your electronic gadgets. Whether it's your phone, laptop or tablet, it's important to keep them clean and free of germs. First, make sure your device is turned off and unplugged before cleaning. You don't want to risk damaging it or getting an electronic shock. And next, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the surface of your device. This will remove any dust and dirt that may have accumulated. If there are any stubborn spots, you can use a small amount of rubbing alcohol on the cloth to help remove them. For keyboard, use a can of compressed air to blow out any debris that may have gotten stuck between the keys. You can also use a small brush to gently sweep away any crumbs and not dirt. To use any harsh chemical that may damage the screen. Instead, use a screen cleanser specifically designed for electronic device. Lastly, don't forget about the ports and connectors on your devices. Use a toothbrush or a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to clean these areas. By following these simple steps, you can keep your electronic gadgets clean and good condition. Remember to clean them regularly to prevent the buildup of germs and bacteria. So guys, thank you for turning in our channel. I just wanted to take a moment to say how much we appreciate your support and viewership. Without you, we would not able be to do what we love and create content that we are passionate about. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you will be the first to know when we uploaded a new video, or you will miss out on any of our latest content. We are always working hard to bring you the best possible content, and we hope that you have been enjoying what we have been putting out so far. Your feedback means a lot of us, so please don't hesitate to leave a comment or send us message with any suggestions or ideas for future video. In the meantime, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss a beat. We can't wait to continue sharing our journey with you, and we appreciate your support more than word can express. Thank you for watching this video guys. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.